Magic Monk, Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk with my new Samsung Galaxy S10e, and now we're going to start using some of the features that I bought this phone for. So first thing I want the phone to be able to do is when I say, "Hey Google," I want the phone to unlock. So you can see that it detected that I said, "Hey Google" just then. Hey Google. So that's really good. Except what I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to unlock the phone when I say that. So I want it so that when I turn off the screen and I say, "Hey Google," nothing happens, right? Hey Google. It doesn't unlock it. Hey Google. Okay Google. It doesn't unlock the screen. So I want to be able to fix that. You also need to make sure that you've downloaded the Google Assistant app. In case you haven't downloaded that, that's a separate app called Google Assistant. And I think that's the one that was opened up. So make sure you have downloaded the Google Assistant app if you haven't already, and this whole thing should work for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Google app. So if you go to More, Settings, and you can see settings for Google Assistant as well as Voice. Let's go to Voice. And you can see here it says Access with Voice Match. Voice Match. Talk to the Google Assistant to get things done. So let's try and do that and see what happens. Access with Voice Match even if your screen is off. Yes. Okay, so let's go next. I agree. Continue. Okay, so I've already done it apparently while driving. Okay. So let's see what happens. All right, so if I turn this off. Okay, Google. Okay, it turns it on. So
I found this on YouTube.
Okay, and we also want to try to see whether I can call someone. So let's turn it off. Okay, Google. Call mom.
For that, you'll need to unlock your phone.
So I still need to unlock my phone, unfortunately.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.